name is Malti and welcome to my channel, My Way of Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you guys a really basic recipe which is besan ki sev or sev, which we use in so many recipes like bhel puri, sev puri and so many other chaats, and we could eat it with murmura too, and it is healthy for children. So let's see what we will need to make it. To make it, we will need besan, of course, and other than that, water, hot oil, salt, and asafoetida, which is also known as hing. You can also add some red pepper or red chili powder if you want to make it a little bit spicy. But today we are going to go with the basic recipe, which is just plain. So let's get started. First step will be kneading the dough. So let's start. In the besan, I'm going to add hot oil, salt to taste, asafoetida. As I say, if you want to add red chili powder, you can add that too. But I'm making it basic, so no red chili powder. And you can also add some turmeric for the color, but I'm gonna skip that too. Just mix all the ingredients we added and gradually add water. Keep mixing it. You want to add water until you see this kind of consistency in your dough. We are gonna make it a little bit loose side. And I want you guys to knead it for like 5 minutes and make it really soft. As you see, after 5 minutes of kneading, you're gonna get this kind of consistency, which is gonna make a really soft and together crispy one. And also there won't be any lumps left if you will knead it for 5 minutes. You can also knead it with your hands, but I find it easy as we're gonna make this kind of loose dough, so it's kind of helpful. And if you will knead it with your hand, it will be a little bit sticky. So I would suggest to use this kind of spatula, wooden spatula. And our dough is ready now. After this, we will need this kind of sev press to make sev. And it's on you which kind of sev you want to make. If you want to make really thin one, you need to go with this kind of mold. And if you want a medium sized, you can go with this kind of mold. So today I'm going to use this kind of mold to show you guys. The next step is oiling your sev press so the dough won't stick in the press and it will come out easily. This is really important step. You want to press it properly all over. And just put this inside the sev press. You don't want to fill it up to the top. I would say just fill it 3/4 size of this one. I didn't feel it totally. If you don't feel it off the top, it might make a little bit of leak of the dough over here. You don't want that. Just close the lid. When I was filling my save press, I have already kept my oil on the stove to get heated. Now in next step, we are going to fry this save. So let's get started. You want to fry it at medium-low heat. Once your oil is heated, you want to press your save press in circular motion like this. And then press it anti-clockwise. Just let it fry for around 30 seconds to 45 seconds on one side. And then flip it over. Again, let it fry for like 10 to 15 seconds. And your save is fried. I'm gonna show you one more time. So you press your save press in clockwise, move it in a circular motion, and again press it in anti-clockwise. Let it fry for 30 to 45 seconds on first side. Now flip it over. Let it fry for around 10 to 15 seconds. And your save is fried. So on the request of my toddler that Mama, I want to eat the thin one, the tiny one, the baby save, I'm going to show you guys using the thinnest mold. So the same way you are going to rotate in the clockwise direction and anti-clockwise again, so you don't burn your hand. Let it cook for 10 to 15 seconds. Flip it over and again let it cook for 10 to 15 seconds. And your save is ready. This is the one that you buy from the market, the thinner one. I'm going to show you. So this is how it looks after frying. So these are two different mold sizes I have used. This one is the thinnest one I have used, and you will get really thin one. And this one is the medium one. So you get this kind of save when you use the medium one. Now it's a fun part. We are going to break this one and see how crispy they are. Just break it. This is what you get when you buy it from the market. You see how crispy are they? Now let's see how this one looks after breaking it.
After breaking it, Mommy, what are you doing? I'm putting on this.
Oh, thank you for being my helper. So this is how they look after breaking them into small pieces. This one was the medium-sized mold that I have used to make the save, and this one is the thinnest one that I have used to make the save. This is the difference, and what you get from the market is this one, the thinnest one. So yeah, this was the quick and easy recipe to make basic besan save. If you have liked my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have questions or if you want to leave any comments, don't forget to leave it in the comment box below. Thank you for watching my video. See you until next video. Bye now.